Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi. Today I'm sharing a bulletproof cocoa recipe for those who like to start your day with a dose of healthy fat. Starting your day with a good source of healthy fat will help to keep you feel satiated for a longer time. Hence, you will not feel hungry. You will not have any sugar cravings. It will help to maintain good gut health and also helps in weight loss. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my saucepan, I'm adding in 1 cup of water. Turn on the flame and allow this to come to a boil. To blend the bulletproof cocoa, I'm using a steel mug like this. Into this, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of A2 desi ghee. If you're a vegan, you can use wood-pressed coconut oil instead of A2 desi ghee. Those on keto diet can also include bulletproof cocoa in their diet. I prefer to use A2 desi ghee as the quality of healthy fat is very important in balancing your hormones and in nutrient absorption. Healthy fats helps in absorbing fat-soluble vitamins and also helps to maintain good gut health. Next, I'm adding in 2 to 3 grams of dark chocolate. This is 99% dark chocolate. Now, if you want a lighter bulletproof cocoa, then you can use 2 grams. And if you would like slightly stronger bulletproof cocoa, you can increase up to 4 grams. So anywhere between 2 to 4 grams or 2 to 3 grams as per your preference will be ideal. Next, I'm adding in 1 cup of hot boiling water. I'm using my stick blender to blend. Pour the bulletproof cocoa into a serving glass. Lastly, for added flavor, I'm sprinkling in a fat pinch of cinnamon powder. This is entirely optional. Cinnamon not only gives an amazing flavor but also helps to boost your metabolism. And my super healthy bulletproof cocoa is ready to serve. So guys, do try this bulletproof cocoa and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.